Hey everyone, welcome back to IMH Studio. Have you heard of Microbead Hair Extensions? They are amazing. They're great. Second best next to a keratin tip if you want individual strands, but not putting heat and melting glue to your hair. So this is my client. She has opted for Microbead Hair Extensions. She has very textured hair. If you don't know, now you do. Here at IMH, we can perfectly texture match your hair. We have our own hairline, a little hair collection, and it's 100% human hair, really great quality. And again, we can perfectly texture match. So her hair is wet currently because we're completing her install. She's only going to go with maybe a half of head to start there because it's her first time and she wants to play around with it in style. She's already told me that she wants to add some more because she's enjoying it so much and they feel like she's not wearing anything on her hair, which is wonderful. But this is just to show you like how well these microbeaded individual strands just hide in between your hair, especially if it's a perfect color match and texture match. Let's see if I can zoom in here so you can see as I pull her hair back, you can't see anything, and that's not with a whole lot of styling. That's the wonderful thing about individual strands. It's the ultimate hair extension. Keratins are wonderful, but honestly, microbeads are better. Number one, you can reuse your hair extensions easily, and they're not a lot of stress on your hair. The beads that we use are silicone lined, so they provide an extra padding to protect your natural hair as well. And again, gives you the freedom of styling. Look at that. Her hair is still a little bit wet, damp, but you can see her curl is starting to blend in nicely. We've cut some layers into there, and yeah, just enjoy the view. If you're interested in having something like this done, feel free to reach out to us at installmyhairextensions.com.